Behind every Swagelok product delivered worldwide is a powerful engine of supply chain, manufacturing, and logistics working together to ensure you can get the right parts at the right time to maintain operational uptime and keep your projects on schedule. Swagelok Company and Swagelok sales and service centers around the world work together to deliver the product availability you need to meet your goals. Availability begins at Swagelok's corporate raw materials facility, where we maintain tens of millions of pounds of raw material that can support more than 1 year of our standard production. Holding significant quantities of raw material of all shapes, sizes, and alloy types allows Swagelok to support ongoing demand, as well as be ready for shifts in customers' needs and supply chain disruptions. Lead times for bar stock can sometimes stretch up to 2 years, stressing other manufacturers, but our raw materials investment protects our customers. Swagelok is investing more heavily than ever in capital equipment, ensuring we have the capacity to scale with customers and adapt to evolving market needs. We have more than doubled our investment in capital equipment and facilities over 3 years, and we are executing a roadmap to infuse automation across our manufacturing footprint. This directly contributes to better product availability for you. With the opening of our newest state-of-the-art distribution center, Swagelok's warehouse capacity increases to 200,000 square feet, or approximately 19,000 square meters. It features automation and robots that bring products to our associates, prioritizing accuracy and quality. The new distribution center has 12,000 storage locations for products, which is 3 times more than previous. By expanding the number of stocking locations, Swagelok will have products more readily available to ship, ensuring the things you need get to you as quickly as possible. Swagelok's product availability advantage continues at our authorized sales and service centers around the world, where products are quickly received into inventory and added to the shelves in local warehouses. Sales and service centers deploy local stocking strategies to maintain inventory levels necessary to meet customer needs, both on the day-to-day side with in-stock products, as well as longer-term or more unique products. Since 2020, sales and service centers have increased local inventory by 70% to nearly $400 million, all tailored to their customers' unique needs. Local sales and service centers understand your challenges and applications and help you find the best solution. Understanding production forecasts and working with you to identify longer-term requirements for future projects and expansions sets us all up for success. Swagelok sales and service centers can direct you to standard components with short lead times, 90% of which are on shelf, and nearly all of which can be shipped within 3 weeks. Understanding your needs also lets sales and service centers connect you with tailored services, such as vendor-managed inventory, kitting, and other procurement support to make Swagelok products as accessible as possible. That level of support also helps Swagelok configure our overall product basket. Our unique business model and proactive investments across business cycles set us up to help you win with product availability. We're committed to helping you feel confident that you can access the high-quality products you need when you need them.